Seasons and sunlight. How Focus question. How does the amount of sunlight in a day change during the 4 seasons? Long and short days. People say that summer has long days. How can this be? All days have 24 hours. The number of hours in a day does not change, but the time when the sun comes up in the morning does change. So does the time when the sun goes down at night. Sometimes the sun comes up early in the morning, then it goes down late at night. On these days, there are more minutes of light. We call this a long day. Sometimes the sun comes up late and goes down early. On these days, there are not as many minutes of light. We call this a short day. Fall into winter. When fall begins, daytime and nighttime have the same number of minutes. Then the days get shorter. There are fewer minutes of light each day. Nighttime is longer than daytime. The weather becomes cool. The fall season is also called autumn. Cold winter days. The sun comes up later. Each day it goes down earlier. The winter begins on the shortest day. This day has the fewest minutes of light all year. On a winter morning, it is dark and cold outside. Spring forward. Spring is coming. The sun comes up earlier. It goes down later. Daytime gets longer, but it is still cold. It takes many weeks for the sun to warm things up. Now it is start of spring. Daytime and nighttime have the same number of minutes again. But the days keep getting longer. Each day has more minutes of light. Daytime gets longer than nighttime. The weather becomes warmer. Hot summer days. The sun comes up earlier each day and goes down later. Summer begins on the longest day of the year. This day has the most minutes of light. The weather is hot. Wowzer! In summer near the North Pole, the sun stays up all day and all night. In winter, the sun never comes up. After summer begins, daytime gets shorter. The nights get longer. Soon, daytime and nighttime have the same number of minutes. The weather gets cool. Goodbye, summer. It is fall again. Time for school. Be a scientist. Check the time when the sun sets. Record the time each day for 1 week. Then make a graph to show your results. Do you see a pattern? Is the sun going down earlier or later? Are the days getting longer or shorter? Now use your graph to make a guess. What time will the sun go down 2 weeks from now? Then find out. Beyond the book. Use books on the internet to learn about seasons in another part